Welcome, here I've got TCL 20L and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the shooter sound option. So by using the button from the right with it, we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off, and when we go back to the camera, when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course, when we move back to the left corner settings, slide down again to the general category and pick the shooter sound option, we can turn it on and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.